Free trading guidance, the third round, from $10 to $10,000. Day 4 has already multiplied the account by 11 times in 10 hours of continuous trading. It is now 6:25 a.m., February 28th, Vietnam time. After recording a video yesterday, today I continue again. You can clearly see that the trading history of the 27th is still displayed on the chart. As usual, I look for and identify resistance, support, and trend lines to take advantage and make money. But wait, at this part my stomach hurts so much, probably because of the milk coffee this morning. Does anyone get like me after drinking milk coffee in the morning? So I missed the buy order at this point, even though it successfully retested and formed a strong bullish engulfing, a setup with quite a high win rate that I suggested in 4 images in the bot's free signal channel, to help you practice my trading method. A question for you. List at least 3 conditions supporting this sell order. If I sell right when that green candle closes, is it okay? Analyze the pros and cons if entering a sell order at that green candle. I will still keep this trade at 2R. I planned to cut the trade here, but the price swept the lower wick again. The candle closed lower than the open price of that red candle. So I decided to continue holding the trade. Only when it breaks above resistance and returns to the original entry zone will I cut. Wait for it to break above resistance and then cut the trade. But I believe this resistance has now become a solid base for the sellers. So you guys, please let me know what has just strengthened this resistance, making it hard for price to rise and break through. Nonsense analysis. But so lucky, guys. A trader like this getting support from everyone, so the scammers really hate me. They don't dare to use their main accounts to make videos exposing me. They are just cowards, throwing stones and hiding their hands, only good at using clone accounts like this to post attacking comments. So hopefully everyone will believe them. But whether they hate it or not, I still do it and record videos. Still sharing knowledge with everyone. I only care about what you learn and how you improve your trading. Anyone who believes them can unfollow me as well. I don't care. And those who support me and trust me, then don't believe these negative comments. They are from scammers. I read them and almost collapsed laughing. This sell trade is easy to understand, right? Price consolidates briefly after a strong drop, then continues to fall out of the consolidation zone. I support the sellers so that the market supports my wallet. For this trade, I set take profit near 3R instead of 2R. What is the reason, you guys? Please let me know. Today, the market has many good questions, helping you improve in understanding market psychology and price action. I don't like these kinds of bullish engulfing candles. Sweeping the upper wick and closing below the drawn line means it cannot rise. Just talked about engulfing. Now bearish engulfing is the same as well. Sweeping the lower wick and closing above the wick of the green candle. Really annoying. I call this an engulfing trap. This trap is for those who analyze mechanically. Engulfing trap, market. You've been figured out. With such a long lower wick and still a green candle, it can only be a setup. Why? Why will traps always be the direction of price? You know this clearly, right? After a fake breakout, after a stop hunt, after sweeping investors' stop losses, price will move in one direction, and I am still targeting 2R for this trade. After two bearish engulfing formations, but each one is lower, you can see that price cannot rise. Even though it tried, I decided to cut the trade and observe the market more. As initially assessed, the price wants to rise but cannot. Then it only has one way left, to fall. The sellers are too strong, just breaking out of the consolidation zone. I sell immediately, even though it is a bit risky because it is also near the previous low. But this trade is still 2R. This morning star pattern is special in that the doji candle has a fairly long upper wick. The next green candle closes higher than the doji's wick, confirming that the buyers have enough strength to move up and reclaim the upper zones. I enter a buy trade, still targeting 2R, not being greedy. The sellers defend the trend line, but the buyers also build a base very quickly, forming a pin bar that sweeps the support wick. I continue to hold the trade. Only when the price closes below support will I cut, because at that time the buyers have truly lost their base. This week, I have already posted enough 2 tutorial videos. Even though I am really busy, I would like to take a break for 1 or 2 weeks to handle personal matters. While waiting for new videos, please improve your knowledge by rewatching my videos. Remember, you are learning for yourself. Don't be careless or complacent. It's very easy for the market to take all your money. Now let's review today's trading history. Everything is clear and transparent. A video without trading history is very easy to edit. Right guys, I am 10-hour trader, helping you trade better.